Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing Build a Boat, but I've made a few more boats than last time. You see, I've got a new one, and you obviously know this. Who are you again? Who are you again?
Francie.
Oh yeah, so let's go on this boat. I build this, the next one will be even better. Let's start going. Let's get ready to launch. Let's go. Everybody, you're wondering, does this boat even actually fly? Oh, yes it does. This boat is built to be flying. Yeah, I wait until I get to the rocks. When I start to take off. Oh my goodness. Everybody look, it does fly. I built this boat by just getting to the end 37 times. But today you're here to get to the end with me about 3 times. So, let's go. Oh, what's going on? Let's go. We're about to come across the first media. Don't ask me what that is. That is 1 million quadrillion lasers trying to hit us right now. To let you know. Oh, I need to kind of go down. Oh, there's hammers. I do not want to go down here. No. Tracer! Oh, you nearly died.
How's the boat you're upside down?
I don't know. But just to let you know, you nearly died.
We're probably getting to the end.
Yeah, we are. We're literally at number 1 hard. We're at number 1 hard right now.
That's good.
Oh, hello, pencil and potions. And paper. What are you doing? Are you writing a potion to be made? I'm a good joke. Oh, nah, every day. No. Are you still alive?
Yes.
Oh, Tracy, I see you.
I'm going towards the grass.
We're in the air.
Well, I'm going to land in a minute, but I'm going down.
Tracy.
I'm waiting for you.
Just follow me.
Oh.
So we're doing a day.
Where's that boat?
No,
No, I can't. I died.
I'm still alive.
Keep going.
No, I died.
Oh no.
Everybody, let's try a different boat, shall we?
Yeah, I think so.
Another boat. Welcome to this boat. Still loading in, but it is massive. Ain't it massive?
It is massive.
Me and you have been inside it. Not only me and you. There's other people. And it is very good for flying.
Even though it goes lopsided, it's very good for flying.
Yeah. Let's let you know it does go lopsided.
I'm ready. I'm putting my bum down. Are we ready to launch?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go!
Door's not shut.
Yeah, you have to wait.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Hold the door to shut. I literally a golden block there. No man.
Can I just wait for the door to shut?
Until when it does.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Look her down.
Everybody, the boat does fly again. This is built for flying and standing up. Just letting you know, that's why this door's literally open. But that door ain't. Nobody else can open that door. Except for me. Because I'm literally in control. Thank you, would you like to swap over seats?
Oh, thank you.
Would you like to be controlling?
Yeah, thank you.
That's it.
No, upside down again.
No, we didn't.
Oh, we're not going to make it to the end.
Yes, we are.
I bet we're not.
Yes, we are.
Well, no, you show me. It might take me to the end.
Unless has taken me to the end before. Do you think we should go down
No.
for a little bit of view? Who remembers the other boats that I made? The normal one, the one that goes flying up, and the house. Who remember them the ones that I made?
Yeah.
Before I played it normally, guess what? I did not realise that you could just save it. That's why I did not have to build this boat. That was a very good day of my life. So I'm still going. I'm in control. I'm in controls right now. And I think that's enough. I should not drop here because when I dropped here, I died. But I can't really see, so right. I must. Oh my goodness! We did not take any damage to our boat. We should be pretty high up. And when we make it to that one, the lightning. Oh nah. Get away from that one. One nearly killed me. Is everyone in the back alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Because we just took a few impacts. So, yeah. We are at 75, by the way. Do you think we may be a little bit too close to the ground?
Maybe.
Hopefully not. Oh yeah, we are. Maybe. Hopefully not. Maybe. Hey, baby. Oh nah. Tracy, alright?
Yeah, okay.
No! Tracy, I'm stopping the boat.
Okay.
My bit of the whole boat just fell out. My bit of the whole boat has fell out. I'm dropping the whole boat down.
Okay, well, okay, we'll be fine then.
Yeah, so we literally fell.
I'll die.
Oh, you You've died.
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Oh, I'm falling out of the boat. Again. I'm walking on air. I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, can we just try again? Can we try again for one more try?
I've gone and died.
Well, everybody, I'll be back in a little bit. Time for a little break. I'll pause the video for you for a little break. Hello everybody, we are back from our break. Let's get the next boat loaded in. We are going to be going on this one again. Hopefully we can trust this one. So, let's go.
Loach.
Yep. Oh, may have changed there.
Oh.
Did we do that by ourselves? Let me check. Yep, I did that all by myself. Do you think we're going to save that? So everybody, we are at the last one of easy. We're going to medium. You're here now. You're here. No damage. Oh, we're at the second medium. So now we're the so we're about to come to our first card. Well, oh my goodness, no. Hello. Please do not destroy my balloons. No, my balloons. Oh, thank you. This is our last one and we just need to make it to the end once.
Winners.
Push challenge.
Winners. Oh my goodness, what happened? Why did you
Are we
fall?
still flying?
No.
We are flying. We're flying.
It's a bit wonky though, look.
Yeah, I know. Maybe we can make it to the end.
I think so.
Are we going up slowly?
Yeah. Are we going to make it?
We might.
No, I don't think so. We're going to whack into the wall. Go through the wall. Alright, the other side.
This is impossible.
Lighthouse, isn't we?
We're at impossible. We might make it.
And we're going to go through this as well. What is this place?
We're going to make it.
Go through. Oh my goodness. We're going through it again. Oh my goodness. How many balloons have we got left?
I don't know.
Mm.
Prepare for impact.
Yeah.
Tracy! I know. You only lost a tiny bit of hair.
Yeah. Right, we're on blue. Can we go?
Yeah. How did this happen? Did you think this would be happening?
No, I think we'll be dead.
Well, you're wrong.
I'm wrong. Yay! The chair! How many diamonds can I get?
I wonder.
57.
What about me?
Probably 157. Hey. 129.
How did I get that much, everyone?
Because you're a member.
And I. Oh, double gold. 500 Robux I spent down the drain, that was. So,
You earn double the gold. What?
I remember, and I double the gold. I remember, and I bought double gold.
How much Robux is that cost then?
Get member, 0. To get double, 500.
Oh, okay.
So, put your hand up if you want to do one more.
There's one more game because then I've got to go.
Oh, you want? Where you want to go? Where you want to go?
I'm going to cinema, so come on, one more
Are you?
game.
Wait, what are you watching? What are you watching? Oh, Leah wants it.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that.
You did?
No, I didn't.
Alright.
Lunch.
Go.
Zoom. I'm trying my very best. Zoom. What time is it? 28. Should we? I'm gonna start going up in the air. Yeah, up in the air.
Over the walls we go. Through the poppies.
I'll quickly start that going.
Yeah, look. Good poppies there. Well, mushrooms. Mushroom houses.
Oh, I didn't know mushrooms. I was wearing this game. Actually, yes, I did. Why am I being silly, Billy?
You're after him, really?
Just call me a Willy. Oh. Well, what if we fall at impossible? Do you think we'll make it?
What's this? No.
A movie theatre.
Oh.
But the hammers actually come out.
Uh-oh.
Movie.
Here we go.
While we're turning directions,
I don't know. You've got control.
you do.
Hold the controller.
You do not have the control.
I know.
Do you think we should drop here?
No,
Why?
we're not near the end yet.
Is it? Where alligator infested waters
Oh,
were
yeah, they're
about.
going to do that then.
What do you see then?
Yeah, they're going to eat me if you got me in there.
And me?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat a whole boat. Aliens coming.
Oh, watch out. Me. Ah! Whoa, that was close.
No, no.
Oh,
Titan!
no, Taylor! Run, one's coming. Oh, no, it's missed her.
Tracy, was you scared there?
Yeah, I thought I was going to die. Pass the light out with.
About to. But this is the bit where I can start not to see. I can see for a little bit, but not at the end. Do you think we'll make it?
Yeah.
We are not over impossible.
What are we doing now? What are we going down?
Everybody remain in your seats because we are dropping now. Yes, you.
16.
It's bad for you.
Did you die?
No. You want to join our team?
No. We're leaving. I'm leaving in a minute.
Alright.
Are you coming on playing?
Yeah, but well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.